What high school students actually want, they want to feel secure. Secure about the future, their family, their friends, their place in this big picture.
One, you are 100% in control of your life. Granted, you can't control what happens to you, but I can promise you, you are 100% in control of what you do with that.
The biggest problem students are facing today is not necessarily bullying or drugs or alcohol or peer pressure or social media. In a way, it's actually all those things, but the real root issue is the fact that they have so many choices.
Your ability to make decisions. Decisions on how to think about when somebody is making your life miserable. What do you think about that person? What's the story you guys are telling yourself?
So my career started as an actual teacher. I was a K through 12 certified music teacher. That type of perspective, dealing with students one-on-one every day, day in and day out, through the cycle of school years, and those nuances is what I think sets me apart from a lot of other people that kind of look like me.
Sophia, give Sophia another big round of applause. Sophia, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to hold this pitcher and tell me, is that pitcher heavy? No, of course not. Sophia, we're gonna pretend that this pitcher is your life. And now, we've got like a completely overflowing pitcher. You notice she's shaking her arm? Why is that? Sophia, why are you shaking your arm so much? Because it's heavy. Yeah, because it's heavy. Do me a favor, bend your elbow on the back so you can get, okay, good, you good? She's now two-handing it, so we gotta help her out. Sophia, put your life, your problems down on the table. Notice, I didn't ask Sophia to put her pitcher down and walk back to her seat and completely ignore her problems. I didn't ask her to ignore the stress in her life. I asked her to just put it down. And what did that do? That created a little bit of space.
The value that he added to our program and the experience of our students is phenomenal. So cannot thank Kevin enough and absolutely hire him.
Having Kevin come in and work with my students, I think it really connected with the kids because he was real and they can connect with something that's real. I would absolutely recommend Kevin's presentation and just his presence in any program. It's already just in our school spreading.
I get it. I myself went through high school and I had extremely limiting beliefs. I had extremely poor mindsets, which put me through situations that I had to learn the hard way. Students, like adults, we remember how we feel or how we felt much better than what we've learned. So while I do a very good job at actually teaching these tactics of mental health and personal development and make sure I have learning objectives through the program, I want to make sure that they feel something. One of the ways I do this is incorporate music. So my previous career, not only as a teacher, was also as a musician. I studied at the Royal Liège Conservatory in Belgium. It's really not only easy, but essential to incorporate into a program like this because I bring music and I use it as a proxy to actually show students a few different things, not only to entertain and have a good time and like I said, make them feel something, but to use it as a teaching tool. So there are 3 parts to making a better decision. Students first have to realize they have a choice in the first place. Next, of course, is the tactics of the actual strategies that help make a better decision in the moment. After that is the reflection process, the patterns that develop.
So now what? What are you going to do every day? Decide to be the best version of yourself.
No matter what somebody says to me, no matter what stress I have in my life, no matter what happens, I will always still bounce right back. Always.
I know every single one of you in this room are off to amazing things, and you have so much potential.